Hello and welcome to Crex. My name is Vicky. Every day on this channel and my TikTok channel, I get you all the news, updates, analysis, and whatever is going on in the crypto world. Guys, if you haven't been following me on this channel, I make sure you follow and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on TikTok so that you can be updated on an hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly basis on crypto. Right now I do daily videos and daily analysis on my TikTok and YouTube, so you should be watching them so that you don't waste your time researching a lot of information and you get it in one place. Guys, right now the markets are down, yes, and I'm sure all of you would like to know what's going on in the market. Where are we heading to? Are we in the bear market? Are we in the bull market? Is this a mini crash or what? Yes, guys, we are still in the bull market. Do not panic sell, nothing right now. In fact, and don't even panic buy right now, because I do think the markets might bounce back up, but it might have a slight more correction. We only had a 9 to 7% correction, which is very, very healthy. Normally, we should be having a 30% correction, which means the price can go down to very mega below level, up to 40, up to 49 to 50k on Bitcoin if we see a full mega correction. But I don't think we might have this correction just yet. But even if we go up to those levels, we are still okay, guys. Do not panic. And in the future, these kind of support level will be very important, because especially when we are having a bear market, these kind of crashes will create support levels for Bitcoin so that you can start taking your profits out. And you will understand that when I'm giving you videos within the bear market, because we are here in the long run and for good, guys. So guys, before I waste any much of your time, let's get into the screens so I can tell you what's going on with full chart analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum. I've got some bad news and I've got some really, really good news. So stick till the end, watch the show, and please, as always, subscribe, like, share on your socials. And before we go anywhere, let's get into the screens.
So here we are, guys, in the screen. So let's quickly go a quick review on the full crypto market. So right now we have about 14,000 cryptocurrencies. Now this number just keeps on increasing. Last time I did a full chart analysis, I think this number was 11,000. So within the next 3-4 weeks, this number has increased. Nearly new 3,000 cryptocurrencies has been launched. Be careful, guys, because there's a lot of projects which are being launched, which are a hype as well. That's why you need to continuously monitor the price and the markets so that you are on top of the game and you're not making any silly investments to lose money. Market cap, $2.6 trillion, quite a big market cap right now. I think this was about nearly 3 trillion a few weeks back when Bitcoin and Ethereum was all hitting all-time high. Still looking quite healthy. The 24-hour volume near 147 billion, still looking pretty reasonable, guys. That's why I'm saying that we are not in the bear market. Everything is looking good, and I have got all the news till the end of the video. I've got the bad news at the beginning and the good news at the end, so that you can understand what's going on in the market and you can be a bit more confident. BTC dominant 43.6%. ETH dominance has increased a percentage. Used to be 18%, now 19% is ETH dominance, mainly because of the Bitcoin falling price, and Ethereum has not fallen as much as Bitcoin as well. And Ethereum gas price again quite high today. Again, always keep this price in mind. And if you're looking to exchange Ethereum into coins, then come back and see when this number is low, then you should do it. If this number is high, that means you might be charged a high fee to exchange Ethereum tokens. Anyways, guys, let's quickly check the market. Bitcoin again -7. The whole market is actually looking red except for the US dollar coin. Again, this is a stable coin, that's why it's always goes up, because people take profits out as well. And you can see Bitcoin nearly 8% down, Ethereum 10%, Binance coin about 9%. Again, another stable coins, pretty stable, not moving because people are moving coins here. Solana down, Cardano down. Almost all the cryptocurrencies has been down. All the top 10 at least are down on average 10% to 8%. Again, for Bitcoin, 7 days is looking less of a downfall. Most of the downfall in the 7 days has come from today's downfall. And let's get into the charts. So yes, guys, and this is my BTC chart. It's just becoming more and more complicated, or looking more and more complicated by the looks of it, as we get towards the end of the bull run. However, we are still in the bull run. So just give you a quick snapshot as well of what my charts are looking like. So these are all my analysis which I've been doing, and you can see all the analysis has been playing pretty well. So at this period when we were, I think this is the June, this is the mini bear market we had between between May and August, and you can see the market has been playing exactly within the time frame. And every time the market starts going up, it starts playing bit more differently. So it's more easily to monitor and calculate the market when there is a downtrend, but at the uptrend you can see that I managed to grab it here, and then it came out of my trend zone again, and then I recaptured the trend here again, and then we had a huge parabolic move up this trend. This was October time when we had a huge influx of the money coming in, and then the price stabilized again. And if we quickly zoom in as well to see what's going on right now, let me just show you, for example. So these two red lines were my new zone, and you can see the price were playing pretty much exactly, and then it starts breaking out on this level, and then when it break out, it starts going parallel, and then today we had a breakdown from this wedge as well. Now this green wedge is the one which I draw today, so I believe that the price should bounce back up and should have played within this channel. But as you can see, these amber lines here where I've drawn the chart, if I quickly zoom in as well, just to show you how we are looking. So this is the new trend zone, and this blue line which you see here is the support line. So if you can see that Bitcoin is staying above the support line, and this support is at 58k, and then we have another support line here which is at 54 to 53k. Now we have to be crucial with this line. So if Bitcoin goes below this support line, then this is the second support line which I should be looking at, and then this is my third support line, because this is literally my mega triangle which I have been drawing from a very long time, and this is the full market trend of where the market should be going in the long run. And as you can see, it has stayed within my long-term zone, and then I calculate all the short-term zones within the months and the week and everything. So I continuously monitor the Bitcoin price on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, for myself and for you guys, so that I can get you updated with the most right information. So yes guys, as you can see, let me put this down again. So as you can see, the markets are playing within this role. So let's keep on monitoring the market. We have a zone line which is 57 to 58k. However, the market looks like it's bouncing back up. If it goes back within this green zone, then we might see a parallel move towards 64 to 65k. And if it goes above this green zone, then we are back in the bull run, hitting this yellow line at 72k to 73k. I'm looking for either a price of 65 to 66k by the end of this week or the 19th of November if we stay above this line. If we go below, for example, this first support line, then I'm looking at a 54 to 52k bounce back again. Now the market situation right now is still promoting towards a further dip, so we might get a little incline here, and then let me just show you what kind of incline it can look like. So we might see another incline here, and then we might see another pullback towards this line in order, and then it goes back up again. So this is what the charts currently is looking like, but we might see, if we don't see a drop back again, then we might continue to go up towards this level and bounce back from here. If not, then right now this is the support line we are looking to. But yes guys, these are the quick fundamentals. I've got some more information why the Bitcoin price has gone down as well, but right now guys, fundamentals are more important than the charts, because the crazy hype going on. But again, charts do give us an idea. And guys, these kind of crashes are not bad for crypto, because this is going to help us in the bear market to calculate this to support lines as well. So these crashes are very good. They are healthy crashes after such a crazy, as you can see, this area, for example, where we had crazy up moves. So we needed this crazy down move here in order to have a correction from this hype, so that we can find a very true support line. This is very important guys. It's good to have a support line within the charts, which is a big sign of stability rather than volatility, because if the price keeps going up crazy, you need to understand it's gonna smash down faster. So this is like a little bit of correction and a further correction before we can finalize the support price of Bitcoin, and then from there we're gonna go up. And at the same time, a lot of people took profits out at these moments guys. These is the points where people took profits out, and then when they see the price goes down again, they start taking more profit out at these areas. And that's one of the reasons that's one of the reasons why the market has crashed here, especially in Asia. I've seen the markets as well. In Asia, people took a lot of profits out at this zone because people who missed out on this zone, they came and start taking profits out at this because they were panicking when the price was going down. Plus, they were quite in huge profits as well. And again, let's we go quickly into the Ethereum charts as well. And the Ethereum chart is currently saying that if, for example, there you can see, so this was my mega long-term Ethereum trend line. As you can see how beautifully the market has stayed within my drawn line. Now I predicted this line and the 30th of September, and from the 30th of September, Ethereum is till today, I would say, which is the 10th of November, almost a month and a half, Ethereum has actually played exactly within the predicted line, which I predicted at least a month and a half ago. And now you can see that the prices are breaking on the outward, is breaking downwards from my inclining predicting zone. And I've already drawn this yellow triangle, which believes that if the price, which shows that the price has actually gone down here, and this is the 38k, sorry, 3,800 is the support line for Ethereum to watch out for. If it goes below, we have to recalculate the chart because this has been a major support line from September onwards as well. But yes, guys, I do believe that we might not even touch this support and go back up within the zone. But right now, everything is on Bitcoin rather than Ethereum because whatever Bitcoin will do will affect the rest of the other coins as well. Now, quickly give you a quick shout on why the prices are down. This is the dollar index chart, so you can see these crazy moves from dollar. So you can see this dollar has been inclining from the 11th or 10th of November. That was a time when a big chunk of money came out of Bitcoin as well. As you can see, dollar going crazily up. This is against the index versus the dollar. And then you can see today as well, dollar made some very crazy moves. And that was the main reason Bitcoin price was falling, or in general crypto, because a lot of people took their money and put it into dollars because dollar was simply going up. And especially big investors and whales, they always make sure they're making money, not just from crypto, but commodities, forex and dollars, whatever what is going up. So this has also taken a lot of money out of crypto today in order for people to invest their money into dollars. So this is just to show you guys these are all normal things happening simultaneously. So don't panic sell. Right now is the time to buy. I would suggest you wait for this support line to be broken. If it does get broken down, then you should buy at this stage. Otherwise, right now I would not recommend to buy anything. It's just so that you can monitor the price. But this is the zone I'm looking for. Once the price bounces back from here, I will shout out on my TikTok, YouTube, and the WhatsApp groups as well, which I manage, so that you can buy the dip and sell the high. But yes, guys, we are not in the bull run. We are not in the bear market right now. We are still in the bull run. And right now, all you need is more money to buy more so that you can maximize your profit when the markets are going back up. Now, let me show you some bad news and followed by some good news as well. This is just the bad news on why the price has gone down. So Bitcoin Ether lose ground as Twitter CFO rules out crypto investment, and the dollar index hits 6 months high. So yes, guys, this chart is like 6 months high, 16 months high for dollar. And that's just great news, to be honest, for the dollar, and that's why the crypto prices are down. Now, I personally don't like dollar because I'm a big crypto fan. However, the US government needs to stabilize the dollar because a lot of countries, they rely on it, a lot of trade, it rely on it. So it's still, dollar is one of the most strongest asset which keeps the economy running at a stable rate. And here we are on the Bitcoin chart. So Bitcoin, Ethereum poised to dip further in search of support. This is again aligned by what I just said a while ago as well, that the Bitcoin will be going further down before it goes back up. And this again news is the CFO, Twitter CFO, saying buying crypto assets does not make sense right now. Again, guys, remember these CFOs and these big corporations are very manipulative because the Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey is a big supporter of Bitcoin. He also owns another company called Square, which is also a big supporter of Bitcoin and crypto. So again, CEO saying something else and CFO saying something else is just cooking something. This is just smelling like manipulation, exact manipulation. You can go on to Jack Dorsey's page and you can see how much of a big advocate he is for Bitcoin, and his own CFO is coming to say something like this. That is some inside job, and a lot of people are losing and making money during this time. And again, for guys, a lot of people who are the day traders who put long and short trades on Bitcoin, they have to be also canceled out from the market because they're making tons of money. That's another reason these manipulation happen, and these prices do fall down greatly so that it can wipe out the traders' money. So that's why I always recommend only invest into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies right now. If you're a beginner, if you are a pro, then yes, you can look into trading because it comes with a lot of risk. Again, one today is another example of that. And so yes, guys, some from the good news side as well. So if you heard there was a new Bitcoin upgrade called Taproot. If you haven't seen it, go see my video on TikTok so that you can understand what is the Taproot upgrade and what it's all about. And it's gonna be enabled on the Bitcoin Cash app from the 1st of December. So even though the upgrade have happened, it's still yet to be included on all the big wallets and apps so that it can integrate. That's one of the reasons the Bitcoin price also could have slowed down, and now it's going to go back up as the Taproot upgrade is integrated with all the other wallets and companies so that Bitcoin can be used more anonymously and with better smart contracts. Again, Michael Saylor, one of the biggest holder of Bitcoin, says Bitcoin is better than crypto, even during the market crash right now. He said this yesterday. So yes, another big billionaire coming back and saying, and he's a big advocate as well of the crypto market. But yes, guys, I want to give you this news apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's talk about altcoins. So altcoins, Polygon is launching its Maiden Ethereum scaling, which is another solution to make the Ethereum better. I think it's going to enhance the Polygon price. I will do a full video on that so we can go in a bit more in-depth details, but I just want to give you a quick shout on this. And Cardano prices are looking to go up 22% as a comeback, because you can see Cardano has been a slow mover recently and it is yet to do the comeback yet. So guys, this is my quick snapshot of what's going on in the market, including the chart analysis and some altcoin news. I hope